Hello everyone, if you're trying to run any program or code on your computer and you keep getting this error, the program can't start because MSVCP140.dll is missing from your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to scroll down on here and then you're going to download both x86 and x64 versions of the software. And once you're done downloading both of these softwares, then you're going to go ahead and install them. And after you're done with the installation, then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to launch any application or code on your computer, you'll see that you will not get that MSVCP140.dll missing error on your computer. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.